Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about the Windows shortcuts you need to know. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. Here comes the first shortcut, that is how can you make a screenshot of something that is on the screen. That is by just pressing the Windows button plus Shift plus S. So by just pressing onto this, you can just screenshot your screen. You can just select what area you want to screenshot, or else you can even screenshot by just drawing something like this. And once you have done that, you can just copy this and you can just paste elsewhere, like on the notepad or on any of your designs, or you can save it to your files. And next comes this particular shortcut, that is Windows button plus H. You can use this to convert your audio to text. So by just clicking on the Windows plus H, you'll get something like this, Microsoft Speech Services. You can just turn your voice into text by using this service. So this will be very helpful for you if you just want to speak something and you just want it to be on the text, so that you can use it for later. So it can be a great use for students also. And then comes the other shortcut that is really amazing, that is when you just want to send an emoji through mail or through any text. You might always have done, like at least once you might have been copying the emojis from the Google search and you might be pasting it somewhere else if you want to. But here is the trick, like you can just use this Windows plus full stop to get this keyboard of emojis. And here you can just choose the emojis which you want to give, like in the text, and you can even use this symbols, and you can just change and just check out this emojis. So there are all the emojis that are available on our smartphone, instead of just copying them from the internet and pasting somewhere else. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and for more such content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching.